Camila. So, we're gonna make some yummy banana bread. So, first, we get some flour. No, that's not flour.
What is it?
It's sugar.
Okay.
This is sugar, butter, 2 eggs, and salt, and
That's the flour.
that's the flour, and that's bananas, baking soda, vanilla, and flour.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Hi, I'm Camila. So again, and I'm gonna put the butter in the mixer, and then I put the butter in the microwave for 53 minutes.
Seconds.
And I'm gonna put some eggs in there, and brown sugar in there also, and then vanilla, and after that, bananas.
Okay.
Let's start cooking.
Now the eggs. Good job. No shells.
Slimy.
Yep. Okay, you could put that in there. Just go ahead and put that whole thing in there. Okay, add your eggs.
Oh, my hands are not that.
Oh, do you got a little shell?
It's a big shell.
Okay, get the shells out. We don't want crunchy. Looks good.
My hands are not that slimy.
Okay.
Now let's mix it.
Well, let's do the vanilla. Mommy will help you with the vanilla.
Okay, I have 1/2 of vanilla, so I'm gonna pour it in there. And then I'm gonna do a stick of butter and melted butter. See? It's very hot. Don't want to drop it. Okay, that's done. Now, are we gonna mix it?
Yep, we're ready to mix.
And how many?
Just on low. So do it on number 2.
That one?
Yep.
We mixed all the ingredients together. Now it's time to add the bananas. Peel it, and peel. Oopsies.
What does it feel like? Is it mushy?
Is that all?
All of them.
It's nice and gooey.
Nice and gooey. Do you see lots of banana chunks?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Use this.
What is
Flour. And then salt and baking soda and sugar. We're gonna pour all those ingredients in here. So we're gonna mix my dry ingredients. Now I'm gonna whisk it together so fast. Already done.
Okay, now we're gonna go over and mix it with our wet ingredients.
Okay. Gotta scoop it up. Not onto the floor.
I think that's a goner. What do you think?
Sorry. Mommy's gonna help me put this in the pan now. It has full of we're gonna put it in a square so we can put little bars in it.
So we can cut it into bars. That's what the recipe says, right?
And I put the batter. Now it's time to put a little sugar in there. Sprinkle.
Just a little bit. Okay, going in the oven for how long?
50 minutes.
50 minutes. What are you doing now?
I'm washing the dishes. Chef always washes the dishes. Okay, it's nice and ready. So, Mommy's gonna help me cut it. I'm gonna put a little butter on it, and we're gonna drink it with milk, and then I'm gonna cut it.
Okay. Oh, careful with that. Mommy's gonna help you. How does it smell?
Good?
Yum. Okay, we're ready to test it. Looks delicious. We put a little bit of butter on it. You ready, expert tester? It's hot. Hot, Tristan? How does it taste, Camila? How does it taste, Tristan?
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.